We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hello, this is Chris from Onyx. In this video, I'll show you how to change the cartridge on your Lexmark MS810 printer or any printer that takes a 521 or 521H cartridge. The first step is to turn on your printer and make sure it is connected to a power source. Then press your supply button and open the cartridge access door on the front of the printer like this. The next step is to remove the old cartridge. To do this, pull up and straight out. So your empty cartridge to the side and move on to your next step. The next step is to install the new cartridge. To do this, take your cartridge out of its packaging. Take your flyer, set it to the side. Install the new cartridge by lining it up and sliding it in. Once your new cartridge is installed, it'll take a few minutes to calibrate. Take your old cartridge and put it back in the packaging, and you can take this back to Onyx for recycling. That's it. You've successfully changed the toner cartridge on your Lexmark MS810. Thanks for watching and have a great day.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.